This is Jeremy, Fiber Laser Sales, Tucson, Arizona. I'm going to demonstrate our 2 kilowatt fiber laser double wire welding machine. Get in touch with us. We offer financing on all our machines. We sell press brakes, fiber laser cutting machines from 2 kilowatt all the way up to 60 kilowatt, as well as CNC routers, all the fun stuff. Give us a shout. So here we're going to demonstrate this fiber laser welder on some 1/8 inch stainless. Here we go. Put on my safety glasses, good to go. Let me clamp this down a little bit. Jeremy, Fiber Laser Sales, 520-500-7454, fiberlasersales.net.